DoomTec.
Hello and welcome to DoomTec Store. Today we're gonna talk about Galaxy Watch Active 2. Make sure to visit our website for more information. Let's talk about the design. Galaxy Watch Active 2 now comes with a bigger customizable screen and a fresh new look. It gives you precise health insights when you need it. You have a wide variety of options when you're choosing the design of Galaxy Watch Active 2. For instance, you can choose between Bluetooth or LTE model, 44mm display or 40mm display, stainless steel or lightweight aluminum. Widen your space. Maximize your screen space with an uninterrupted view. Galaxy Watch Active 2 features an enlarged display with a pure black screen. Get the look that matches your look. Snap your outfit and grab your look. Express yourself with a watch that fits your look and mood. When you snap a picture of your outfit for the day, Galaxy Watch Active 2 will put together a watch face to match your outfit. So let's see how it exactly works. First, you need to take a picture of your outfit. Then you can choose a part of the picture. Then the Galaxy Watch will make a display for you that matches your outfit. Track your workout on your wrist. Galaxy Watch Active 2 tracks your movements, so you can just wear it and track your workouts. Galaxy Watch Active 2 goes where you go. With an IP68 and 5 ATM water and dust rating plus military grade durability, you can go further and experience more. Stress Tracker. The stress tracker to watch your stress levels when you are feeling tense. And follow the suggested guided breathing exercise to get some peace of mind. Heart rate tracking. Monitoring your health is at the core of Galaxy Watch Active 2. Health monitoring keeps an eye on your heart rate and sends you an alert when it goes above or below the normal levels. Performance. Take your Galaxy Watch Active 2 out for a day with a battery that lasts a day and more with normal use. Back home, just lay it on a compact magnetic wireless charger to bring it back to full. No charging jacks or wires required. Wide compatibility with both Galaxy and non-Galaxy smartphones. Get started by seeing which devices are compatible with Galaxy Watch Active 2. Thank you for watching.